It's a great day to be in the house of the Lord. It is really a glorious day, and it reminds me that even you are old, our strength is the Lord, and God is really, His love endures forever. Welcome to the IBCB, and we want to recognize our first-time guest. If it is your first time, we would like you to stand and tell us your name and what country you came from. Do we have one? Yes, sir.
Joe, I'm from India.
You're very much welcome, and you are helping even the team, the music team. Oh, thank you so much. And Adam is also here. A long time we did not see you. Thank you for being here. Do we have some others at the back? Did you bring a friend? Grace?
Yes, I brought my friend Flora.
Yes. Okay. Do we have yes, from my right hand side? I think we are all home. I think I can see all some faces. Oh yeah, okay. Well, God is really good. You know, Precious, it's a baby girl. We praise the Lord because children are blessings from God, and we really praise the Lord that all things went well. And of course, we praise the Lord. Our family is growing. We have a lot of grandchildren. Even Joy Nokama has also a grandchild already. So we are really having our children. We are really becoming bigger. Our family is becoming bigger. And there are many life groups that's in our church, so please try to join the different life groups even after church and before the worship service. We have the Bible studies, and Thursdays we have the senior class and also the prayer meeting, and on Fridays we have also the Ask group, Ask, Seek, and Knock. The adult group are doing that, and the paupers group. Today we have our fellowship meal, and please join to our fellowship meal every end of the month. And next week we have our communion Sunday. There is also there's the Hilfswerk on the 13th of June in behind Gase. If you want to attend that one, there is the whole day, I think. So if you want to attend the Hilfswerk, it's Rachel and Daniel Suk are working for the Hilfswerk. So if you're interested, please try to attend if you want to. And the ABU, of course, it's already, last Friday was the last, we need to be confirmed because we need to register, but it's already closed. But and there's also Marching for Jesus, but it's in September. If you want to join that one, join, yeah? Okay. Thank you so much.